Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious churros from scratch. First, combine 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then remove it from the heat. Stir in 1 cup of flour until a smooth dough forms, then add 4 large eggs one at a time, mixing thoroughly after each. Next, transfer your prepared churro dough into a piping bag fitted with a large star tip, ideally about 1/2 inch, to create those classic ridges. In a deep pot, heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oil heats, prepare a shallow dish or plate with a mixture of cinnamon and sugar for coating your churros later. This preparation ensures a smooth frying process. Now it's time to fry. Carefully pipe 3 to 4 inch strips of dough directly into the hot oil. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Remember not to overcrowd the pan. Fry in small batches to maintain the oil temperature. Once cooked, remove the churros and place them on paper towels to drain any excess oil. For the final touch, immediately toss your warm, fried churros in the prepared cinnamon sugar mixture. Make sure they are evenly coated on all sides for that perfect sweet crunch. Serve these delightful churros warm, perhaps with a rich chocolate dipping sauce or dulce de leche. They are best enjoyed fresh, so gather your friends and family and savor this homemade treat right away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.